And the third leg of the proverbial stool is, controlling costs. And Chico, in the previous session, had alluded to this with his saving precious support time. As you can create, as you save that support time, you obviously reduce the costs, but it also gives you a chance to control costs through, things that we've got in there is automation, low ongoing maintenance of the product, as well as having the centralized dashboard, allowing your operations team to have a central place to see what's going on with dotDefender and all the servers that dotDefender is installed on. The automation part of it, obviously, we have an install capability, we have rule updates, we have other automated tools in place, as well as the API to bring it into your provisioning systems and billing systems. We've just rolled out an automatic licensing mechanism as well to help with that, make it easier to do licensing. So there's a lot of things we're doing. We understand from the hosting perspective that the more labor you can take out of this and the more you can automate, it does flow right to your bottom line. Robert, if you want to add anything to that?
Well, I think, yeah, I mean, and I know we covered the support cost issues. From a provider standpoint, anything I can do to make my customers happier by not having to answer tickets about I've been hacked, please restore my site, which are all, which require some labor and require some customer relationship management to make sure that they're still happy. That's better. That's better for the customers, and that's better for our, for our own operations. As far as some of the tools, I mean, Andy, just like you said, we put together, reports that we'll use internally for our own, operational review, and then depending on the level of service someone wants, we can automate, a weekly report, a monthly report, with different levels of detail. And really, once it's set up, we don't have any ongoing labor activities that have to happen once we have that in place. That's what I like to. That's what I like to get something set up and then let it run, and then we can, then I can have the conversation with my customers about what needs to be done.
Okay. Great. And so I think it's pretty intuitive as well as how to control costs with the dotDefender. And as you can see, it's we address the security aspect. We allow you to, increase your bottom line. And the next step would obviously be to partner with Applicure, to provide dotDefender to your customers and to provide the security service. So